I have a favorite rock now. Took her out for a little bit too long and it was a little bit awkward on the ride back home. I feel like this is where I would come to if I wanted to get abducted by aliens. I'll see you guys in the car. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we are headed to Mount Eboshi. I used to go here a lot when I was in college. It's the local mountain road people go up to, and it's just the my memory spot. So we're gonna go there. I happen to be selling my guitar today. I'm letting go of one memory from college, indulging in another. But I got some good news today. I am now officially able to ride a motorcycle. My license is updated now. I can just ride any sort of motorcycle I want because I got the big boy license. I can ride the motorcycles that are above 400 cc's. That means I can ride the motorcycles like the CV 1000 whatever. I can ride a Harley if I wanted to, and there's these rental motorcycle services that are around in Japan here. I can rent a motorcycle, show you guys some cool motorcycles. My brother used to have a CB 400 SS, so I'm gonna be riding that one mostly. Yeah, just new stuff for my channel. You know, told you I told you before that I have memories from college in this area. Well, one of them is I took a girl out on a first date. You know, usually first dates are just kind of casual and you meet up and go to a cafe or something, talk, and then go home. No, I full-blown fucking took her out for a night drive all the way up to this little mountain area. Yeah, we like knew each other from class and that's it. But honestly, we didn't know each other well enough to the point where, you know, that's shit you do with your girlfriend, not someone you're on a first date with. But yeah, went a little too hardcore and took her out for a little bit too long, and it was a little bit awkward on the ride back home. But yeah, needless to say, there was not a second date after that. The view was nice though, but the main subject is here. Eboshi. This car, it still blows my mind. Like, this car, it turns so well. I think partly it's because the engine is, the weight of the engine is lower, so when you turn in, there's like a point where it turns in more. You turn the wheel and then it goes more. It's more pronounced on the racetrack, but still feel it. Someone's been having some fun. Now in the daytime, these roads sometimes have like little scooters or K-trucks parked on the side of the road, like farmers' trucks, or old people are just walking out and about. So you gotta be wary of that. So I used to ride this section up here, but there's a section down here that people drive as well. These little roads here are pretty beautiful. Light coming in through the trees. And I think they recently repaved the road, so it's even better. It used to be a lot bumpier. Yeah, this spot used to be really bumpy. But it's a really nice paved area now, and it's good. And there's these bushes of, I'm not sure what flower that is. Adds a nice little finishing touch as we get to the end point up here. And there's a little grassy field park area. You can run around like a maniac if you want. Or parking lot area that you just turn around in. Let's go check out those rocks. Hopefully there's a shady spot that I can park. I might honestly leave the car running. It's just too hot. I topped up on fuel, it should be good. Righty. Oh, where'd he come from? Is that a wasp in my car now? Fucking better not be a wasp in my car. That should be freezing cold by the time I get in. I feel like this is where I would come to if I wanted to get abducted by aliens. I like that rock right there. I'm going to that one. I have a favorite rock now. All these other normie rocks can suck it. Yeah, this one right here. He's so square. He's so square and bold. It is a Wednesday today, so that might be why there's nobody else around. I have it all to myself. I wonder if these rocks were put here or they're just... this can't be natural, I don't think. God was bored, so he started throwing rocks at this mountain. Not sure how I can make rocks any more interesting for you guys. Surprisingly, it's not like crazy hot right now. Oh, you know what? This would be a great spot for paintball. You could also paint the rocks. Although the mayor probably wouldn't like that. It would be fun though. Alright, well, I'll see you guys back in the car. Actually, wait, no. I could totally jump that on a BMX bike. And then, oh no, I would jump that one. And then most likely just faceplant, slam my head into the rock. That one's more jumpable. I'll see you guys in the car.
Remember, the universe doesn't hear your back. It hears your word.
Oh, thank you. Fucking icebox. Yeah. Well, I just got a notification on my phone that says, come pick your money up, Mr. Moneybags. You got so much money now. I'm gonna go do that. I almost exited like it was a pit lane. Oh, how'd you guys like the rocks? Let me know in the comments which rock was your favorite. I particularly liked the one I showed you guys. Nice and square, not conforming to all the other rocks that are pointy and round looking. Nah, he's standing there square, showing off his uniqueness. Look at all those marks here. I understand the feeling of being tempted. Oh yeah. Heel and towing through the trail. That's not trail braking. What am I saying? I'm just driving. But you know what I mean. Braking in the corner and then doing that. Nice and smooth, no impact. I think I've been blessed when I touched that rock. Yeah, that was the road Eboshi. That goes to show you don't really have to go to anywhere particularly special to have fun driving, because even in your local area you'll have something. If you make something of it, it'll be something. Just remember not to take your first dates out onto those roads. Oh yeah, now that we can see it on this side, that is a graveyard in Japan. Okinawa, however, Okinawa Prefecture, their graves are different because they have huge house-size graves. Maybe not house-size, it's the size of like that at least. Yeah, there's some pretty big boy graves. They take up a lot of real estate, even though Okinawa is a tiny little island compared to the whole of Japan. If I could have things, if I could choose what to put on my gravestone, I would put a QR code to the link to my channel. Just be like, it'll just say like, comment, subscribe, and I have a QR code for my channel. Well, in the next video, I plan to go out to that one road I showed you in this video here. I went there in the morning time, but before I started filming, I saw a lot of bikes and cars there, but I wasn't planning on filming that day, so I was like, oh shit, well, maybe I should film. I'm gonna go up there next on the motorcycle, so stay tuned for that one. Anyways, that'll be about it for this video. Hope you guys liked the road at Boshi. It was a cool little local spot. You know, you guys can enjoy your local road areas and whatnot. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and we'll be on a motorcycle. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's probably like my third time I said that. But anyways, drive safe and take care.